Chapter 5 Visual Basic Writing the codes. We have learned how to enter the program code and run the sample VB programs. Now, let's learn a few basic rules about writing the VB program code. Each control or object in VB can usually run many kinds of events or procedures. These events are listed in the drop-down list in the code window that is displayed when you double-click on an object and click on the procedures box. Among the events are loading a form, clicking of a command button, pressing a key on the keyboard, or dragging an object, etc. For each event, you need to write an event procedure so that an action or a series of actions can be performed. To start writing an event procedure, you need to double-click an object. Object property, where object and property is separated by a period or a dot. For example, the statement form1.show means to show the form with the name form1. Label1.visible equals true means label1 is said to be visible. Text1.text equals VB is to assign the text VB to the text box with the name text1. Text2.text equals 100 is to pass a value of 100 to the text box with the name text2. Timer1.enabled equals false is to disable the timer with the name timer1 and so on. Managing Visual Basic Data. There are many types of data we come across. For example, we need to handle data such as names, addresses, money, date, stock codes, statistics, etc. Similarly, in Visual Basic, we are also going to deal with these kinds of data. However, to be more systematic, VB divides data into different types. Types of Visual Basic Data. Numeric data. Numeric data are data that consist of numbers which can be computed mathematically with various standard operators such as add, minus, multiply, divide, and so on. In Visual Basic, the numeric data are divided into three types, namely integer, currency, and decimal. Non-numeric data. The non-numeric data types are summarized as string, date, boolean, and variant. Working with variables. Assigning values to variables. After declaring various variables using the dim statement, we can assign values to those variables. The general format of an assignment is variable equals expression. The variable can be declared variable or a control property value. The expression could be a mathematical expression, a number, a string, a boolean value, true or false, and etc.
Operators in Visual Basic. In order to compute inputs from the users and to generate results, we need to use various mathematical operations. In Visual Basic, except for plus and minus, the symbols for the operators are different from normal mathematical operators, as shown below. Conditional operators are equal to, more than, less than, more than or equal, less than or equal, and not equal to. Logical operators are both sides must be true, one side or other must be true, one side or other must be true but not both, negates truth.